मैं बोल रहा हूँ 99% of startups fail. Why don't they change this from loan to equity and say we'll become your partner? हम आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे, ये लो 5 लाख लो, 5% इक्विटी दे दो, और अगर आप यूनिकॉर्न बन गए तो हमारा भी भला हो जाएगा, आपका भी भला हो जाएगा. What do you need from me to help you succeed? वो माइंडसेट की बात है सिर्फ. And when I asked this question, they said we are prepared to lose this money. Then don't call it a loan, call it equity. You're prepared to lose it. Why don't you become a partner? Why are you a hands-off adversary like a loan shark giving a loan? Why? In the subconscious brain, let the kids who get this scholarship or get this grant, let them think that the government is your partner. Problem solved. And they'll create such goodwill that will last the next 100 years. This is the mindset change. We are still operating a zero-sum game economy because none of our leaders know how to run a real economy.
Interesting. This all also entails heavy reforms that need to be done.
सब हो सकता है, सब कुछ है.
अच्छा, मुझे
ठीक होनी चाहिए.
मुझे आपसे ये जानना है, बिजनेस के लिए, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस के लिए क्या रिफॉर्म्स अच्छे हुए हैं या अभी तक नहीं हुए, और क्या रिफॉर्म्स होने चाहिए?
We are still operating a village economy, not a real economy.
बट हमारी जीडीपी इतना ग्रो हो रही है.
कैसे ग्रो हो रही है? गलत काउंटिंग ही गलत है.
काउंटिंग गलत.
मैं आपको 1000 रुपए दूं, आप मुझे 1000 रुपए वापस दें, 18% जीएसटी करके 2000 का जीडीपी बढ़ गया. कैसे बढ़ा है?
ये मैं समझा नहीं, सॉरी. वो थोड़ा डिटेल में समझाइए इस चीज को कि हम जीडीपी गलत कैसे
काउंट ही गलत कर रहे हैं.
कैसे?
The way GDP should be counted, first of all, is how much money have you earned? The earnings should come based on how many hours of effort you have put in and what your hourly rate is. Let's say your hourly rate is $100 per hour and you've put in 8 hours of effort in a day. You have increased the GDP of the country by $800. If my hourly rate is only $10 an hour and I've put in 8 hours, I add another $80 to the GDP. And government takes a portion of that in tax. That's not how the government is counting GDP right now. If I give you $1,000, you give back $1,000, they show it as GDP has gone up by $2,000. So they are missing the critical number which the government should be looking at. Not how big our economy is going to be. It's the GDP per capita. If you take the top 5% of India's wealthy out of this whole equation, our GDP per capita is $1,100 or $1,200 per year, which is as low as Gabon, sub-Saharan Africa. So when some people say our economy is growing, it's becoming this trillion, they're all lying. Brazenly lying. They're not solving the real problem. The real problem should be to increase the GDP per capita of every individual.
And how do you think that can happen?
Change the way you count it. Unleash mass employment. Don't create it yourself. Let foreign companies, let other companies come and create employment. Help them create employment. There are 200 million unemployed kids in India. Nobody is talking about that. It's taboo to even talk about it. Why not? Fix that problem. And increase the GDP and start counting it the right way. By actual effort put in.
या मेरे पास हमेशा एक सवाल होता था कि मैं जब भी दूसरे देश जाता हूँ, घूमता हूँ, मेरे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स हैं, वहाँ पे हर जगह आवरली रेट होता है. हमारे यहाँ पे मंथली एक सैलरी है. एक आर्गुमेंट मुझे जो मैक्सिमम मिला है हमारे देशवासियों से ही और जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट देते हैं, वो बोलते हैं कि हमारी पॉपुलेशन इतनी बड़ी है कि हम आवरली रेट्स नहीं कर सकते हैं उसको.
क्यों नहीं कर सकते?
क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को फिर नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी.
What kind of a bullshit argument is that?
And this is not one person who's told me. At least 5 out of 10 people have spoken to us.
Then they don't understand economics. So just everybody keep a track of how many hours you put in.
कोई रोड पे रोड बनाने का काम कर रहा है तो कोई ऑफिस में बैठा हुआ है
कोई
तो
बात
आप
नहीं।
इतना कैसे ब्रेक डाउन कर सकते हैं?
तो आजकल कंप्यूटर्स हैं, हर एक का ब्रेकडाउन हो सकता है। बिल्कुल 100%।
मिनिमम वेज सिस्टम,
Either minimum wage or wages. Simple. That way everybody is participating in the growth of India. It's not everybody says I'm contributing with my effort. Whether that effort is in thinking, that effort is in coding, that effort is in manual work. It's so simple to do with computers today. Simple, no problem. But he is a wrong argument because we're not in a paper-based system. Everybody keeps a track of how many hours. I mean, if you're a waiter, you go and wait. I work for 8 hours. 8 hours, I punch in, keep out. Everybody, today, everyone can keep a track of how many hours you've put in. You go to work, I've put in so many hours. We can, we must, if you have to create.
As a entrepreneur's mindset, if I'm just playing the devil's advocate here, वो सोचेगा कि यार मुझे पता है कि मुझे महीने की इतनी सैलरी इस इंसान को देनी है। अब मैं अगर आवरली करूंगा, मैं प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकता हूँ कि मेरी अर्निंग्स क्या होगी एंड ऑफ द मंथ में।
क्यों नहीं? Wrong.
ये भी एक सोच है जो मैं डेविल्स एडवोकेट की तरह सोच रहा हूँ कि
गलत सोच है ना, वही मैं बोल रहा
कि
हूँ।
मुझे पता है इसको
Devil's
20,000 रुपए देने हैं, पर अगर मैं आवरली करूं, अगर इसने जो 8 घंटे का 10 घंटे किया किसी दिन, तो मुझे उसको पर आवर उतना देना है जो मैं
ज्यादा दो, कोई बात नहीं।
फिर वो सोचते हैं कि हमारे प्रॉफिट में खाएगा।
नहीं, वो
ये सोच है,
गलत सोच,
धंधे
गलत
का
है।
सोच है।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये धंधा सोच गलत है, गलत है। That means you should value people for their effort, not for how much you can extract from them and get away with less. That's the wrong way. बस यही सोच, अगर everybody starts thinking like this across the board, immediately. And next thing is you just have to create more employment, encourage more businesses to start up. Today it's a Robin Hood society. Rob from the rich and pay the poor somehow. If somebody's having fun, tax them more. That taxing more does not work. It's a way of thinking.